drillers, welcome back to DIY Yolande. My name is Yolande and here we use power tools to empower and educate women. So if you are interested in learning about how to use a drill, how to use a jigsaw, how to use a sander, and how to use a circular saw and many other power tools, then you are on the right YouTube channel. So hit that like and click that red subscribe button for more exciting videos. From the title, in today's video I am creating an easy and affordable bar card for just 420 rand. Yep, you heard me correct, for just 420 rand I created this beautiful custom piece. A cut list is down in the description box. Supplies that I use are listed right here and also down in the description box, so do check them out. Let's stop talking and let's get into this easy DIY.
Outlining my measurements, they are also on the screen. Do note that you can customize the measurements to your liking.
Smooth.
Then I'm going to glue these pieces together and let them dry. Whilst I wait for them to dry, I will then move on to the bottom of my bar card.
Where your wood is touching, you also ensure you put glue there.
Then you bring out your clamps and you clamp it down. I'm now creating a countersink holds. Countersink hold is basically holds that you create in order to hide your screw head into your wood. If you would like a detailed step on how to do this, check out the video linked up here in the card or the video linked down in the description box below. It is titled How to Drill into Wood Easily.
Created two frames like this. End the pieces using the countersink method. If you'd like to know what the countersink method is, click the video link down here in the description box below, where I show you guys in a previous video on how to drill into wood. Where you are seeing holes here, I am going to put wood filler, and then once the wood filler has dried, I'm going to sand it down and you will no longer see these holes.
So in the previous clip, I had mirrors. I had two mirrors here. And you know what, I actually didn't like the look that it had with the mirrors, so I broke it apart and reassembled it and removed the mirrors. What I used to remove the mirrors is I used a heat glue gun, and then after that I then sanded it down with my AEG cordless belt sander. And then this is what it looks like. I love this. As you guys know, I love a natural wood tone, so that's what I'm going with here. If there were any gaps and such, where there's unevenness like here, where my wood filler has dried up, I'm now going to sand it. This is the bottom piece that I will be putting at the bottom of the bar cart. I've cut it into size. Everything that I've mentioned, all the power tools that I've used and all the items I've used, along with measurements, will all be down in the description box. So this is the before. And here's the after. I'm positioning the frame, or you can refer to it as the legs of the bar cart. I'm positioning it with the base piece as I assemble. And create extra hands for yourself, as I am doing here. The screws that I'm using, I purchased them from 𝙬𝙤. 𝙬𝙤 has a wide range of screws, and they are actually branching out into providing better selection when it comes to DIY items at an affordable price, guys. So head on over to your local 𝙬𝙤. And they also have decorative items. So if I were you, after watching this video, I'd go to 𝙬𝙤. Just saying. So now you ensure that you align your top piece so that you can then screw it into place. I'm clamping it into place so that it's easy so that it doesn't move around as I screw it in. When you're DIYing by yourself, you literally have to learn to improvise. So the screws for the top part of my bar cart, I'm actually going to screw them from underneath because I do not want the screw heads to show. So I'm using this Granny B Hurricane paint. It's a chalk paint. I'm using these L brackets that I got from Buco. Everything is linked, guys, in the description box along with its prices. I'm using a hammer to hold the screws in place as I get ready to drill. And
here is the reveal. I can't wait to style it and use it when I have guests over. If you enjoyed this video, I hope it excited you to possibly grab a power tool and get DIYing. Remember, do not allow yourself to be intimidated with power tools. Practice makes improvement, and the only way to practice is for you to grab a power tool and use it. Drill into wood. I wouldn't recommend you drilling into your wall for the very first time, but definitely drill into wood. Practice. Create something that you can use around your home, that you can look at and be like, I created you know. And don't forget, most importantly, that power tools have no gender. So from me to you, see you next time. Peace. There are some bloopers.